The Vantrue N2X dual dashcam provides exceptional video quality with its dual recording capability, capturing the road ahead and the car interior, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Equipped with Sony STARVIS 2 technology and dual HDR, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing clear and detailed footage even in complete darkness. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS features allow for seamless video management and precise tracking of your driving route and speed, enhancing both convenience and safety. With its 24/7 parking mode, the dashcam offers continuous protection, automatically recording any incidents while parked, ensuring your vehicle is always secure. Smart voice control and an optional emergency button make it easy to operate the camera without distraction, allowing you to focus on the road while capturing important events. Designed for easy installation and enduring extreme temperatures, the Vantrue N2X is reliable and safe, offering loop recording and a supercapacitor for extended lifespan.